arm workout, you'll want 1 to 5 pound weights. So you should already be warmed up a little bit, maybe a little walking around the house, or you can start with my warm-up workout. Here we go, starting with bicep curls. We're going up 2 counts. Squeeze your bicep muscle, down 2 counts. Exhale, lift, inhale, lower. Now as you do this, maybe place a slight bend in your knees, right? That will help support your back as well. Your core should always be engaged, pulling in and up. Exhale, squeeze, inhale, down. Good, we have 2 more like that. Connect to your breath. Now you can stay there or you can take it faster. We're gonna go all the way up, all the way down. A lot of beginners will forget that full range of motion at the bottom, so make sure you lower all the way. It's also gonna make it a little bit harder. Exhale. Good, 2 more. Exhale, lower. Now bring it back to a 90-degree angle. Give me a slight turnout. I want those elbows squeezing into your waist, and you have 8 little pulses. We squeeze 8, 6, 4, 2, and relax down. Shoulders are next. You might want a lighter weight. Otherwise, test it out. Instead of coming straight forward or straight side, you're looking for a 45-degree angle in between those 2, palms facing one another. Up 2, here we go. Exhale, squeeze, inhale, down. So hands only to about shoulder height, protecting the shoulders. Good, still having that slight bend in the knees, core working. 4 more doubles. Exhale, inhale, good. Finish strong. If the weight feels light to you, maybe just bring it halfway down. You lose that momentum at the bottom. Once again, making it a little more challenging. Faster for 8, 8, 7, squeeze at the top, 5, exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax the weights down. Now you're welcome to place 1 weight down as we move to the next exercise. Triceps overhead, right? So those elbows want to flare out a little bit. Hug them in for me. We come down to, watch out for the head, right? Also for any ponytails, high ponytails, up 2 counts, squeeze. Exhale on the lift. Now when those weights come overhead, the back really wants to arch. So I want you to think about, instead of sticking the buttocks out, tailbone is rooted down. Mind-body connection, squeezing the back of the arm. Good, 2 more doubles. Pull the elbows in a little more, try and hug around the ears. Now take it faster, 8, squeeze, 8, 7, 6, 5, control the movement, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me an isometric hold, elbows hug in, breathe through your hold. Now give me 8 little pulses, just little movements, focusing on the back of the arm. Try not to swing, and carefully overhead. Good, we go to our second set, up 1 count, down 3. Here we go, exhale, 1, down, 2, 3. Full range of motion. Core working, 3, down, 2, 3, squeeze the bicep. Notice if the elbows are coming away from the waist, hug them in a little bit more. Up 6, down, 2, 3, squeeze 7. Give yourself that core check, abs pulling in and up 3, down 1, exhale, 2, squeeze and lower. Good, connect to your breath. Down, up, 2, 4, and lower. Squeeze. And down, almost there. Keep going. Exhale. 7 and down. Good, 1 more. Lower back to that isometric hold, slight turnout. If the elbows are out, hug them in a little more. 8 pulses. 8, 6, 4, 2. Relax the weights down. You're 45 degrees here. Up 1, down 3. Exhale 1, down 2, 3. Abs in, slight bend in the knees. 3. Now make sure the body is not swinging. You're not bringing the hips forward as you lift. 5, down 2, 3, 6, down 2, 3. Exhale 7. Almost there. Squeeze. Up 3, down 1. Up 2, 3, and lower. Exhale. And down. Good. If the weights get too heavy, give me 1 arm at a time. Down. 2, 3, and lift. Good. Finish strong. No pulses on this one. You're almost there. And relax. Good. Back to your triceps overhead. Hug those elbows in. Good. Watch out for any high ponytails. Up 1, down 3. Up 1, down 2, 3, and squeeze. Good. Make sure you're not having a big arch in the back. The tailbone's rooted with a little bend in your knees. 5, down 2, 3. Squeeze 6. Exhale 7. Good. Check out the elbows. Pull them in a little more. Up 3, down 1. Up 2, 3, and lower. Good. Just think about how nice those arms are going to look when you stick to this workout. Good. Summer's right around the corner. All those short sleeveless tops. Good. Almost there. If it gets too heavy, remember you can do 1 arm at a time. Isometric hold. Hug the elbows in. You're just halfway. 8 little pulses. 8, 6, 4, 2. Strong core. Carefully overhead. We're going to place the weights down and come over by the mirror. Over by a mirror or wall. If the hands are a little bit too high, you're going to place a lot of stress on the shoulders. So I want you to bring the hands down. Also challenging the body a bit with the hands just below the shoulders. And then make sure your lower back's not going to collapse. So almost think of sticking your butt out a little bit, scooping the core. Down 2 counts towards the mirror. Exhale, press back. As a beginner, the slower you go, the more you're going to feel it. So if it's too intense, you can take the pace faster. Down. 4. Exhale, press. Now, if this is too easy, the core can work harder, feet closer together, or 1 foot hovering back. All right, you're probably feeling it now. Take it faster. Exhale, 8, 7, 6. Mindful not to lock the joint. 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Good. Give me a shoulder stretch. So instead of grabbing on the elbow, you're just gently pulling down in front. Pull that shoulder away from the ear. Breathe into your stretch. Good. Opposite side. Grabbing more of the forearm, gently pulling down in front. Inhale your left arm up and over, grabbing away from the elbow, tricep stretch. Breathing into the back of the arm and switch sides. Excellent. Coming over to the wall. Hands about in line with the shoulder. Now give me a little bend in the knees. You're turning towards the wall of the hand that you're using, and then just slightly turning away, leading with the opposite shoulder. Okay, if this is too intense, remember you're always slowly turning away. And you can even out on the other side, hand in line with shoulder, facing towards the wall or your mirror, slowly turning away. Making sure that hand's not too high or too low. Great job, you guys. Come back for legs tomorrow.